Ever wonder why we make weird noises while sleeping? Sleep sounds like snoring or talking happen because of how our airways function during different sleep stages. For instance, snoring occurs when soft tissues in the throat partially block airflow, causing that iconic raspy sound. Interestingly, talking in your sleep, known as somniloquy, affects about 5% of us, often triggered by stress or sleep deprivation. So next time you hear those nighttime sounds, just remember it's all about the body's natural processes. Follow Ever Wonder Why for more daily curiosity bombs.